Hello and welcome to this quick guide how to feed your new chatbot new information, new knowledge so it gets a little bit smarter. Very easy. Just open the Opera browser, click on Explore GPT, the right side create. You can create your chatbot, give a little bit of instructions. Let's say you want to make the healthcare specialist and make sure you check the code interpreter and then you can upload your files. Now let's say you're making a healthcare specialist. You can search online healthcare news blog, and then you can pick out your content. So let's say you want to add this page to your knowledge base. Just click on the left side on the Opera button, red button. Click then page, save as, then the option PDF. Give it a name. Yes. Let's say you want to add this one too. PDF. Save. Then you go back to the chatbot. Upload files. You see this file, PDF. It's a very compatible PDF. You can read this very fast. You see? Then make sure you save the new chatbot, confirm. You can add up to 20 documents, so maybe it is smart you can convert the PDFs together so you can add more knowledge.